Okay, guys, how are you all doing today? I just discovered this project. It's called Tansiq Harvest. Tansiq Harvest deals in oil and gas. Is an United Arab Emirates project. It has real estate, corporate business in Qatar, Iraq, agricultural and livestock. We have Egypt tourism and hospitality. And we have physical gold futures in global phases. And we have a lot of things here. We have a lot of things here. You can deposit fund and invest in so many things. That is oil and gas projects. You can invest in real estate and development from $500 up. You can invest in corporate businesses. You see, $350 for Qatar, and that is Qatar business shares with hidden bonuses tied. So you can also invest in Iraq, agricultural and livestock. With $300, you can do that. You can have a share of Iraq farm across 25 share boards. Then in Egypt, you can invest in tourism and hospitality. With $750, you can invest in Egypt hospitality shares and tourism. All right. So then in global phase, you can invest $50 in physical gold futures. Okay. So when you click on invest, you see contract 14 days gold shares. Okay. So you can invest in vote one. Okay. You can also invest in vote two and earn those percentages and so on. All right. Just to buy one share, you have to spend $50. In 15 days, you get a profit of $2. Principal release after 14 days. Okay. So that is it. You see? So the profit is not too much. It's not a get rich quick project. So let's look at the real estate investment. Okay. Here is the real estate investment. We can invest in this project for 6 months. You see? So when you invest for 6 months, contract with $500, your profit is going to be $360. Okay? So that is just that. That is just that. Okay? So I think this one is more profitable, but it has to be $500. So someone who invested $1,000, $2,000, or $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, you have to gain this amount, times 3. Okay? Times 4, times 5. All right? So that is it. All right. I think that would be all for now. So this project is a very good project, and it's going to launch their token in few days coming. Now look at in 52 days to come, they are going to launch their token. So now you can also mine this coin by clicking on play here. Okay, when you click on play, then you tap. You see, you tap. As you're tapping, your balance is increasing. You see, So that is how to mine this coin without referral. Okay, you see. So you can also watch adverts. When you watch adverts, whatever you have tapped will increase by 2x. That is 2x books after the video. All right. So that is it for now. So let's catch up with it.